अब बंद कर लो।
Hey guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome to my channel. It's a bright, sunny Monday morning. It is just about 7 o'clock right now. The Archaeological Survey of India has opened certain monuments in Delhi. So I thought I should quickly come and probably click some pictures and show you guys around. Also, as you know, this is social distancing time and this is generally testing times and we have to obey certain rules and regulations. So I have got my hand sanitizer, my mask, which I will be wearing as soon as I step out of this car. So let's see how it goes. The parking is completely khali. Just my car. And that's Yusuf who's joining us now for the walk.
हेलो एवरीवन।
ये हमारे पार्किंग वाले भैया हैं जो हमारी गाड़ी की सुरक्षा करेंगे। भैया यहाँ पे नॉर्मली इतना ही रहता है गाड़ी का कोविड के टाइम पे?
15-20 का लगना है। कोविड से पहले 300-400 गाड़ी लगती थी।
400 गाड़ियाँ कोविड से पहले। So we are walking towards the Lal Fort, which is the first fort of Delhi, built by the Tomar dynasty. तो ये लाल कोट जाने के लिए we are crossing Sanjay 1. लाल कोट क्यों जा रहे हैं हम लोग, ये हम आपको बताएंगे लाल कोट पहुंचने के बाद। This is such an amazing place. It's super green and the air is so fresh here. Quite awesome. So what you see here is the Anangtal Bauli, first Bauli in Delhi, which was built by the Tomars. Oh, there's these thorns also. So this hike would be fun if it was not so sunny, and it definitely is a slight bit bumpy. So wear proper shoes if you're planning to come, and preferably come with a guide because it's a very secluded part of Delhi. I can't believe it, Delhi mein jagah. So, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! That area entirely is Mehroli village. Obviously the Qutub complex. What a fantastic view. Lal Kot, which is the first fort of medieval Delhi, built by the Tomars in the 736 AD. Prithviraj Chauhan was the last ruler of the Rajput clan from this fort up until 1192, when he was defeated by Muhammad Ghori, which started the Delhi Sultanate. So that's where we're coming from, and that's where we're going to go.
नहीं, हम दरगाह पे जाना है। ये वाली दरगाह।
नाम का क्या करोगे आप? चलिए
अब बंद कर लो।
So it's really sunny and really hot, and what I wanted to share with you guys is that it's really dampened my spirit for today, because there were 5-6 men who stopped us and did not let us continue with this little trek, stating that they're part of the government, which I highly doubt, because when I requested them to show their IDs, they refused to show their IDs. So we didn't really fight or argue because it's just me and Yusuf, but we do feel if there was any problem with the entry into this area, the guard at the gate should have stopped us. So on our way to Qutub Minar, we are going to ask him what exactly is the situation. So they have toilets here, but clearly not perhaps the most usable. We just spotted a huge dark brown snake. We managed to see the tail of it, but it was clearly very huge and long. So they do have some boards where they have displayed that there are quite a few snakes in this area. So shoes and fully covered, absolutely mandatory. That's a Nil guy. A couple of them actually. Oh, there's one right here. Quite a bit of traffic on Delhi roads. It seems everything is back to normal in Delhi. Well, I hope that happens soon. Hi guys, so I have come back from Sanjay Park. Lalkot हम लोग गए थे क्योंकि we wanted to give a little background to our story which starts from Qutub Minar. So वहाँ पे एक मज़ार है लालकोट फोर्ट के मेन एंट्रेंस की तरफ, जो कि apparently the first Sufi saint would come to India, उनकी मज़ार है. We wanted to go and visit that area also. But right before that there were these 5-6 men who were there and they stopped us. They got very agitated. And I mean, we would have gladly just listened to them and gone, but they should give us their ID, and that's the least that they should, you know, that's the least that they can do, show us the ID. So फिलहाल उन्होंने ID नहीं दिखाया और थोड़ा चिल्लम चिल्ला हुआ. So it sort of dampened the spirit also of the entire exercise that we were planning to do of visiting that area and the Qutub Minar, and it also got very hot. So मुद्दे की बात यह है कि मैं अभी वापस घर आ गई हूँ, and I'll just थोड़ा change my mood and freshen up a little and then see if I want to go back in the evening and see Qutub Minar, or I would like to visit Qutub Minar some other time. So yeah, that was how things progressed. Pretty unexpected, but all is well that ends well, and I'm back home. And a little bit I'll tell you about Lalkot Fort is that currently it is part of the Sanjay Van. Sanjay Van is a green zone in Delhi and काफ़ी बड़ा एरिया है वो, and उसके 6 या 7 एंट्री पॉइंट्स हैं, एंड आप कुतुब मीनार के सामने से अंदर जा सकते हैं वहाँ पे, एंड देन यू कैन एग्जिट फ्रॉम JNU साइड. सो इट्स प्रीटी वास्ट, एंड there are quite a few snakes. We spotted one snake. We couldn't take picture because I was like so yeah, there are quite a few snakes there. We spotted some animals also. All this while my AC was on. मैंने अभी उसको बंद करा है, and I'm sorry if there was continuous humming in the background. So yeah, coming back to Sanjay Van, please अगर आप वहाँ जा रहे हैं तो ensure that you have a group that you're going with and you're wearing proper shoes, because वहाँ पे पत्थर वत्थर वहाँ पे बहुत हैं. लालकोट से अमेजिंग व्यू आपको मिलेंगी कुतुब मीनार की. I mean amazing view, and it's sad that I'd never gone there before in my so many years of being in Delhi. And I think what I see is going to happen post COVID-19 is that people will obviously take their time to get back to traveling, and it's a good opportunity to see your own city, reconnect with your own city, and in a healthier and a safer way. So masks, sanitizer and hand wash still stay very important even after this entire pandemic situation settles down. And in case if you are someone who likes outdoor activities, and this is a little bit you can do in Delhi while you're stuck in Delhi because you can't travel. So yeah, so I will be taking you to Qutub Minar as and when I go. I'm not sure if I'll go today or I'll go tomorrow, but hopefully jaldi jayenge, and Qutub Minar is going to be good fun. So stay tuned till the next time I see you in Qutub Minar.